How to change language in Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to change language in Google Maps. So it's quite easy and simple. That's why do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, we'll be learning about how to do it. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open the Google Map application on your device. Once you have done that, make sure you already have connected your Google account with your Google Maps. You can also change it by tapping on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have saved the Google account where you want to change the language in Google Maps, you can select the profile at the top right corner. Once you have done that, tap on the settings icon or the button in this section, and you need to scroll to the bottom as there is the app language at the top of the screen itself. Tap on app language, and currently, the app language has been set to the system default, that is English. Under all, you will see different kinds of language when you scroll to the bottom of the screen in this way. You can choose any one by tapping on the language you want to. And once you have done that, select the OK button. So Map will restart to change your app language. So your app language has already been changed in Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.